Okay, I was back on ArcGIS Pro, and for our graffiti, I have to go back to the symbology and import the layer file for the graffiti data so you can see the symbol. And now I'm gonna close it out and gonna select this graffiti, and I have to publish again, web layer and graffiti map. I would say graffiti. SS, okay. Summary, graffiti maps, with symbol. Okay. Text, okay. Graffiti. And then I have a Pittsburgh there, and click publish. And then we have to add that layer back to our map in ArcGIS Online. So once it's done, and I will go back to ArcGIS Online, and then we will add a configure pop-up windows here. Operation dashboard. So operations dashboard uses the pop-up window. So operations dashboard that we will configure in ArcGIS Online. In the contents pane, we will go to click graffiti, the name, and more option button, and configure pop-up. And for the pop-up title, we will type the graffiti and check configure attributes so that we will select everything and use the vertical arrows on the right. So we will do it now. Alright, so back up to ArcGIS Online, and then graffiti. So I think I'm just gonna remove all this. Remove this layer, and gonna add layer search graffiti SS. Okay, right here. So that's the one we need. Okay, down adding layers. Okay. Oopsies, I didn't select it. Graffiti SS, click add. Done adding. Perfect. Now we can see our graffiti thing here. Graffiti SS. Oh, I think it's already added. Why there are two added here? Okay. So I think I'll just add everything here. Remove everything here, just using the SS. So we have heading and Pittsburgh. Remove everything for now. Alright, so we have this three. Okay, perfect. Alright. So, now we're going to go to graffiti, which is right here. And then we will go to configure more option button, and right here, and configure pop-up. For the pop-up title, I will say it's graffiti. And then display, configure attributes right here. Configure attributes, so we will select the checkbox on the left right here of display twice to clear all attributes and turn on the layer. So display, okay, and then alright, now I'm gonna choose is the first one, it should be address. The second one, it will be zip code. The third one, date call. Date call. Right here, date call. And then date call, I'm gonna move it down. Date call. There, date call. Okay, move it down. move it up. Alright, we have a date called graffiti type code. Graffiti type code right here. Okay, graffiti type code and comment, and we will have artist. Okay. And then I will click OK, use the vertical arrows on the right of the attribute table to attribute the order listed in 3 steps. So in order to the attribute, we will select a row to move up, scroll to the top on the list, and then click up arrow. So we click OK, and then we click OK, save the map. And now we will check the pop-up window. So let's see if I click this one. See, we will see artist and our address and zip code and date call and throw up. Comment, there was no comment. Okay, perfect. Click graffiti point on the map to check out the pop-up window. Now we're going to create. We will save it. Alright, perfect. Save. Alright, saving my map. And now we will have operations dashboard use the bookmark that we can configure in ArcGIS Online. So we will zoom in and zoom out so the Pittsburgh fills the map. Click the manage bookmark button, bookmark. So, and then add a bookmark. The first one we will say Pittsburgh. Okay, click enter and close. And zooming to center business district right here. So, alright. So I will say create another one. Add a bookmark. So I will say central business district. And then perfect. Alright, we have a bookmark and save it. I'm gonna save it. Alright, save. And now that's our map. So let's see, bookmark places, new map. I don't need to go to new map, contents about. Alright, we can do something here, legend. Alright, so everything is here. Perfect, okay. Alright, now we will create an operation view using operations dashboard for ArcGIS. So now, first we're going to install operations dashboard for ArcGIS. If we haven't installed the operation dashboard for operations dashboard for ArcGIS Online for the computer, we will need to install the software now. I don't think so. So now we're going to do that. First, in the web browser, we will search for. This will be interesting. Yay! All right. So I'm gonna search for operations dashboard. Alright, for ArcGIS. There. For ArcGIS, okay. Alright, operation dashboard for this. And open that site. Search for this and open which site? It says it's coming, but which is this one? Okay, yep, product page, perfect. Operations dashboard, yeah, that's the one. Free trial. So this is free trial. Oh, this is beautiful. Alright, so now we're gonna do is operation start the trail. Follow the instruction. Okay, create a new operation view. So it will be 21 days trial. So configure. Okay, so now we're gonna see add map of graffiti. Do I have to? Okay, mesh dashboard. And we will create a widget. Alright, so we're gonna go follow the instruction to install it. Suit for ready to use apps for the office field. Okay. ArcGIS Online up to 5 users. Pro. Okay. Alright. What happened for the trail? And it we can call purchase. Alright. We won't lose anything we build. No, the trial subscription. No. production use only, try or subscribe for multiple. Okay. Alright, so I think, let's see. Click OK. Where we're gonna start. The name. Alright. So open a new operation view. A particular dashboard on operation dashboard is called an operation view. So this has more maps and, if desired, one or more widgets. So a widget provides additional information about map data, such as statistic, bar chart, query, or select feature to the map. So let's see if I have operational board. I don't think so. Let's go to ArcGIS, operational board. With the nope. Alright, and then I have to install it. Alright, so I'm thinking if I'm installing it and I have to start with a trial. Alright, so now we will have to configure a map widget. So we add a map to the operation view. Okay, create a new operation view. Multi-display operation view create. Okay. So we do have to install it. And then once we have it, then we can continue. We have to look at the widget and add map query. Okay, so we need to get the dashboard ready. Alright, so I'm gonna save it for now. Alright, so the dashboard we will skip for now, and then we will come back. And let's jump into chapter 13. Alright, let's go to chapter 13 for now. So, and we will summarize what we did. The dashboard thing, we will come back, okay? Let's look at the 13. So, book data, alright. So, last chapter, we will look at graffiti removal system. Operations management with, we don't need to save anything. Alright, so we will talk about model builder and collector here. So I did collector, and the trial version I still have maybe a couple of months. So here is the second on GIS for operations management, and we previously we introduced operation management and GIS-based operations management systems for providing goods and services. And we built a graffiti mapping system, including tasks to prepare weekly data for mapping, and an operations view using operations dashboard, not yet, with a map, queries, and a bar chart useful for police in apprehending serial graffiti artists. So now here we will build the graffiti removal system for the public works supervisor who oversees graffiti removal in the public works, employee who removes the graffiti from public surfaces such as buildings, walls, and bridges. More specifically, here we will do is build the following three models that a public works department supervisor will run to schedule graffiti for removal at the beginning of each work week. So optimum routing. So here there are a lot of things we could talk about. We will go over everything here. So the first dimension is identify the graffiti for removal model. So maps all graffiti sites that the supervisor has approved for removal but that have not yet had a graffiti removed. So, and then we will calculate the removal optimum route. So the model uses network analysis. So network analysis tools to calculate the optimum route for a set of graffiti sites selected by the supervisor for removal. And the supervisor can create one or more routes for a week with multiple runs of this model. So each time a route is created, its graffiti sites are automatically removed from consideration in designing additional routes for the week. And lastly, it will be the record routes result model saves an optimal route as a feature class. Each time the supervisor calculates the route to follow, she uses the